Kids trainers like the Cortez blend a lively, contemporary touch with a traditional shape. An eye-catching highlight is provided by the striking blue and red tartan check swoosh on the premium white leather upper. The trainer has a classy appearance despite being a children's model thanks to this check pattern, which combines American casual with British tradition. A dog-like insignia beneath the Nike logo, which is embroidered in bright red on a similar checkered background, adds humor and uniqueness to the heel portion. Sneakerheads will be enamored with the flawless design, which is exquisitely detailed and includes graphics on the insole and tongue of the shoe. This model is now closely associated with street culture and has maintained her popularity as a fashion icon throughout the years. With a pop and a new approach for children, this model is a stylish pair of shoes that carries on its lengthy history.